Welcome to Supercar Blondie Updates, your one-stop shop for the latest news and updates on the coolest supercars in the world. So subscribe to Supercar Blondie Updates today and never miss a beat in the world of supercars. Subscribe for more. The 2024 Hummer F is an all-electric SUV that is packed with innovative features and technologies. Here's an extended overview of its key features. Advanced powertrain and performance. Tri-motor electric powertrain. The Hummer F boasts 3 electric motors that generate a combined output of 830 horsepower and 1,120 pounds-feet of torque, delivering exhilarating acceleration and handling. Watts to freedom. This exhilarating mode unleashes the full potential of the Hummer F's powertrain, propelling it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 3.5 seconds, SUV, or 4.5 seconds, pickup truck. Adaptive air suspension. This intelligent system adjusts the vehicle's ride height to optimize comfort and performance on various terrains. Extract mode. With the touch of a button, the Hummer F raises its suspension by 6 inches, providing exceptional ground clearance for tackling challenging obstacles. Crab walk mode. This unique feature allows the vehicle to move diagonally at low speeds, enabling it to navigate tight spaces or maneuver around obstacles with ease. Off-road prowess. 4-wheel drive system. The Hummer F's advanced 4-wheel drive system ensures optimal traction and control in various off-road conditions. Locking rear differential. This feature enhances traction by locking the rear differential, preventing wheel spin and maximizing power transfer to both rear wheels. Available extreme off-road package. For the ultimate off-road enthusiast, this package adds 18-inch wheels with 35-inch Goodyear mud terrain tires, underbody armor and rock sliders, ultra-vision underbody cameras, front e-locker and rear virtual lockers, and heavy-duty ball spline half shafts. Advanced technologies. Super Cruise. This hands-free driver assistance technology allows the vehicle to autonomously navigate compatible highways, reducing driver fatigue and enhancing safety. Ultra-vision surround vision. This comprehensive camera system provides up to 17 camera views, including underbody cameras, for unparalleled situational awareness and obstacle detection. In-vehicle energy app. This intuitive app provides real-time energy usage monitoring, charging scheduling, battery temperature conditioning, and other features to optimize energy efficiency. Digital key. This technology allows owners to use their smartphones as the key fob for their Hummer F, providing convenient access and control. 13.4-inch infotainment system. This large touchscreen serves as the hub for the Hummer F's advanced infotainment and connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. Interior comfort and luxury. Spacious and refined cabin. The Hummer F's interior offers ample passenger and cargo space, along with premium materials and craftsmanship for a luxurious and comfortable experience. Available transparent sky panels. These removable roof panels allow natural light to flood the cabin, creating an open and airy atmosphere. Available Bose A-registered sound system. This premium audio system delivers rich, immersive sound throughout the cabin, enhancing the driving experience. Available 6.0 kilowatt onboard generator. This powerful generator provides up to 15 amps of power, allowing the Hummer F to operate various appliances or even charge other Fs. The 2024 Hummer F stands as a testament to GMC's commitment to innovation and performance, combining cutting-edge technology, exceptional off-road capability, and luxurious comfort into a truly remarkable electric vehicle. That's all for now, supercar fans. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Supercar Blondie Updates. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more supercar news and updates.